What's up guys, it's Dee from the Drip 702 and take a mini day trip to LA from Las Vegas with me and my kiddos. You guys, this is the perfect opportunity as a business owner for me to use an excuse to take my kids out of town. Not only is it 4 hours away, but I teach them a lot while we are in LA on how to purchase wholesale items or distribute items or how to find vendors and a lot of the inside information that it takes to run a business. So this is one of the stops that we take on the road. This is about 2 hours in, I want to say, from Las Vegas to LA. This is Eddie's World, guys. This is like a huge convenience store. I gas up here or bathroom trip here. We also get a bunch of snacks here because they have a lot of things that you can't usually find other places, especially in Las Vegas. So we definitely take the opportunity to look around and stretch and get a couple of good items while we're here. I let the kids kind of get what they want. And this is the hot sauce collection, y'all. I thought this was really unique because I love hot sauce, and it's so random that you would see like a huge hot sauce collection in the middle of the desert somewhere on the road. So yeah, I had to get a couple of those. This is my daughter. She is so excited because she wanted to take some pictures by Kobe's Lakers floor, the original floor at the Lakers Stadium, the Staples Center. You guys, that was cool. Also, we love seeds. So if you guys are here, check out the huge variety of seeds. They have every flavor. Oh, look, Old Bay. Look, fire hot sauce, y'all. Sizzling bacon. Like, I wanted to get all of these, but I had to settle for a few. They were so good. And the chips, like, these are exotic chips, okay? You don't find these everywhere. We do love a lot of, like, different types of chips and things like that, so we had to grab a couple of those. But yeah, now we're on our way, you guys. We are in LA. Parking was easy. There's a lot of opportunity for parking. We paid like $20 and ended up parking in one of the hotel what are they called, little parking places at the hotel. So we parked on like Maple and 12th, but just Google Santee Alleys, and once you get down there, you will start seeing vendors and you'll start seeing people holding signs for parking. It's really easy, you guys. Look at all of the things out here. I mean, it's everything. If you're in the wholesaling business like I am, going to find a vendor here is really easy. I usually bring my wholesale license just in case anybody questions me about being a wholesaler or a retailer. But you guys, I just go in here, find what I'm looking for, whether it's women's clothing, men's clothing. They have shoes, they have suits, they have hats, they have jewelry, they have everything, you name it, okay? They have kids' toys. Whatever it is that you sell, this is a great place to start because not only can you find good connections here, but you get to test the quality and see what you're buying. We didn't get to film, it was raining. We didn't get to film a lot of the food that we bought, but this is a bathroom stop. There are bathrooms here, you guys, and she was so sweet, this lady. She was handing us tissues when we were done to dry our hands. It's $1 to use the bathroom per person, but just know, like parking, things like that, you're really safe down here, even if you're not from LA. So you guys, don't worry. The people are really friendly and everybody is just there to make money and to live. This is their part of their culture and their community. Lots of great food out there, you guys. And if you want more additional details on what the Santee Alleys actually provide, comment on this video because I will give you guys a lot of information. I've been coming here for years. You guys, I come here not only for personal things, but for business reasons as well. You guys, look at all of the items. Crazy. But yeah, comment. I'll let you know. Love y'all. Bye.